I have a discharging capacitor here on a transistor that's not plugged into a battery, being measured by an oscilloscope called a Handtech. And we have the frequency of that. And we have the voltage. Okay? The RMS is 103 millivolts on a tiny capacitor. And what that means is energy is all around you. You don't necessarily feel it all because you're saturated in it. And it is your state. But energy is all around you when you use capacitors that are discharging with a resistor across them. It gives you free energy. Nikola Tesla discovered this with the gravity form of a capacitor and a large antenna, and he used it to convert voltage in a vehicle to drive a vehicle at a high rate of speed. Okay, it was called a gravity car. You know, it operates off of the fact that gravity is a particle, and everything is made of particles. And that when you have everything made of particles, it's bound to conduct energy through magnetism and vectorism of geometry. It's actually specific geometry. So if you create the right device, such as this capacitor with a resistor across it, you're going to get a constant flux in the metal of the legs of the capacitor, a flux of voltage that will be constantly discharging and oscillating. So here's the frequency of it. Here are the voltages. Okay, so you can see that it's quite a bit of frequency there. It's in the sound range and in megahertz or kilohertz. So it's a significant frequency. Now if you change the capacitor and the resistor around, it will change the aspects of the dosage of energy volting. But if you were to put a bunch of these in series or parallel with a wire antenna, you would get free energy.